MC Mikey. MC Ricky Ricky.
For the first one, I want to talk about is this material from this product. From this material, all made by the aluminum. So that means this product is very soiled. It's very heavy. It's not get damage from like the nature or from the other people. Even this product like falling from the tree, it still can work. Yeah, you can see. And second one is that we made this product can get the waterproofing, and we have accessed the IP66 this level to get the waterproofing. That's more easy to set this product like close to the lake, sea. No matter it's a raining day or like the cloudy, everything's fine. So that is for the different environments. And for the overheating stuff, we made this by the heat sink fins in the front side. It can help, it's not help, it can make sure it's not going to get any damage by the overheating or the influence. You can see they got the 3 different connectors. So the first one is LoRa antenna connector, second one is GPS GNSS, and second one is Bluetooth. So when you put, they got another DC connector, is by the solar panel. Yeah, you can buy this solar panel, so you can move this solar panel by the different angle to get the sun side and set up for the outside. When you set up everything, you can just connect with your DC connector and with this router, fiberglass antenna. Yeah,
1 hour later. Three hours later. The next morning.
Yeah. When you connect these two, so this is the work. Yeah. And you can just set up this to the outside. Yeah, that's it. So someone going to be asked, is that easy? Is that enough when I receive this product so I can just connect with two, I can work? No. So I have another one, it's already opened. This one I have already connected with the Bluetooth antenna. As you can see here we have already set up for the 3 battery for you and connect all the wire. But when you receive this product, you have to do the 2 things. The first, I suggest you to open this side. So there got the board, you have to open it. Yeah, and there got another is PD connector. In the package, we will give you another PD wire, so you better to connect, because you need to activate this mesh solar first. Yeah, so you need to use this wire PD to connect with it and to charge this battery. And they got another key point you have to remember. Use the charger. The charger, you have to use that over the 20 voltage. Yeah, then you can activate the mesh solar and charge for the battery. Then you can use, because we have already web flash all the Meshtastic, this firmware into this product, so you needn't to do anything else. But if this is like the firmware, you need to like update your firmware. You also need to connect with the PD connector, and another side is to connect with your laptop and computer. to update your firmware. If you want to get not like the Meshtastic, this firmware want to another firmware, so still need to connect with the computer. When you want to get another firmware, connect computer, they got a button. I'm not sure you can see it. It's over here. Yeah, here. So you need to click this button for twice. Then you can get into the DFU module, so you can download other firmware as you want. Yeah, it's very easy. You needn't to do anything else, and we also don't suggest you to change another different battery because this one is used the lithium. This battery. We don't suggest you to change another battery into this product because it's gonna be getting hard to burn in this module because we have already tried once. Because we use the different product and chip. So if you try another battery, it's gonna be broken this product anyway. In that BMS web, you can set up all the different functions for this product, but like I said, we don't suggest you that because when this product come out, we have already set up everything for you. Everything's perfect, so you needn't to change anything else because when you change something, it's maybe you got a chance to broken this product. And like I said, the two different battery type is also the hardware is also different, so don't change the different battery, just use this, it's gonna be fine. If you have any malfunction problems, so you can also connect with this web to check the problem. And also, if you have any else malfunction problem, you can also contact with us. I will leave the support email to the comment. If you have any problem, ask us. Yeah, and also we'll welcome you to join our community like the Discord or Reddit. Yeah, have any question, ask us. We will try our best to solve all the problem you will face. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for participation. Watch our video, please give a like, or have any other advice or suggestion for the future video, you can leave the comment to us. And don't forget to subscribe us. What else? And sorry about my English is not very good. And yeah, that's all for today. Have a nice day, guys. I'll see you next video.